Well, Niecy here, and by the time it stops snowing, we will probably be at just about 2 feet of snow. Now, this driveway where you see the tire tracks, that's been plowed at least 3 times. And it just got plowed yesterday morning, and as you can see by the tire tracks, that's how much snow we got while we slept. So obviously it's going to need to be plowed again. And then I had snow almost past my boot this morning getting Zayden to school. And so when I got back from taking him to school, I had to make this path with a shovel. Never to say the least, Niecy's going to be hurting tomorrow morning. And I'm probably going to have to come out here with the shovel. Actually, I know I'll have to come out here with the shovel again to take us out. I had to create a little potty path for the dogs. During the winter, they go potty behind the shed, and when spring hits, I go back there and I clean it up and get rid of it all. Because Paisley decided she was going to be stubborn and come over here and try to potty where she normally potties. And the snow went almost all the way up past her back. And so she had to dog paddle her way out this morning because she wanted to be stubborn. As you can see, there is no way I can get to my she shed. So the dream of gardening in the she shed with heat is out the window because hubby did not make a path for me. And now it's going to be too hard to make a path because the snow is way too deep. And you can see how big the snowflakes are right now in the video. The snowflakes are huge because normally you can't even see the snowflakes in the video. The stairs, that's the very top of the stairs. That's the best I could get with the snow shovel. All the snow that's almost to the top of the stairs is compacted, solid. And I literally just got the stairs completely cleaned off. And within the last 30 minutes after shoveling, you can see that the snow has accumulated again. So this is pretty much what I do during the wintertime. During the wintertime, I keep the house clean and I shovel. That's what I do. Clean and shovel and cook. Clean, shovel, cook. Crochet. Clean, shovel, cook. Crochet. That's what I do. Yeah, this is my life. For the rest of my life, this is going to be me. Spring cannot get here soon enough, and the sad part is, this is just the beginning of winter. We have winter here 6 months out of the year. We don't have a true spring because we can have snow until the first week of June. So, welcome to Montana, you guys. Welcome to the frozen tundra.